What's good, my people? Back again with another video. Let's get straight into this one. So this box is so big it's not even fitting in frame, but it's not a box that you see all the time on my channel. It's an Adidas box, 3 stripes, you know it's Adidas. Plain, simple, boring box, I'll be honest. I think I've seen this box plenty of times by Adidas. Not the greatest, we'll just skip past that. It does say something on the label, however, and that's Adistar XLG 2.0, colorway black silver MT, UK 10, made in Vietnam. If you want to read the rest, just pause it right there and we'll get straight into this. First of all, the box is absolutely crazy big. I don't understand why, because look at all that space, man. It could have been done smaller, but it is what it is. Let's actually talk about the sneakers now. So this is an XLG. Do you know what that means? It basically means extra large. So this is an Adistar. It's made extra large. It's been beefed up a bit. So thicker sole, been made wider, etc, etc. The reason Adidas have decided to do this is so that it basically looks like and gives everyone an alternative to the Pharrell Williams Adidas jellyfish. This one is not the jellyfish, it's actually nicknamed the squid for obvious reasons. If you're not too sure why, I have no words for you. This shoe looks so similar to the actual pair. I've actually had people, not this colorway but the other colorway, people saying online, of course, those are replica and those aren't the jellyfish. They're wrong because they're not a replica, and they're also right because they're not the jellyfish. Didn't say it was. But this is just a toned down version. It's black, silver, black and grey, which I quite like, just a standard shoe. I did go size 10. After putting them on, I realised that's not my size, because I thought they would fit larger, but no. I'd say go to your New Balance size roughly, or just try them on in store. You will be able to get this cheaper. I got these below retail already. So on the bottom, we've got that nice chunky sole, or nice wide sole, I should say. And here you go. It's got Adidas logo. It's got these kind of rivets, obviously shaped into the sole. They kind of look like screws. I like that. Saucony's done that as well. This is Adidas's take on that, I guess. It says something there. I can't read it properly. I think it says Adiprene, which it says there also. And then we've got Adi Wear. Shout out Adidas for making everything Adi something. Only you do that. So there we go, Adiprene, if the camera picks that up. Then, so the midsole's all black. We've got this piece of plastic on the midsole, which runs and connects to the bottom and then goes around the other side. Now for the midsole, the upper, as you can see if you know about materials, it's all mesh. So the whole thing is mesh all around underneath. And then we've got these rubber overlays designed to be like their new shoe, or Pharrell's new shoe / design. So that's why people are getting a bit confused. So we've got these 3D stripes on the side. This one's already, I don't know why it's gone like that. Maybe probably because of the way I kept it in the box. And then obviously the toe box is mesh. Around the toe box is this kind of leather. It's definitely pleather material, I'll be honest. And then again, mesh and that plastic. Tongue, the whole tongue is mesh. It does say Adistar cushion on there, if you can see that. And then the Adidas logo kind of stamped in, I'd say. Stamped, embossed in. On the inside it says Adistar in the insole. And then just to give you a look at the insole, it's kind of like a spongy insole. I didn't find them too comfortable, but that's maybe just because it's not my size. Got the wrong size. So comfort levels, I have heard that the other shoe, the more expensive, triple the price version and probably 10 times the price now because of resale, I heard they're more comfortable, but just go for this if you want to save yourself a lot of money. You can probably buy 10 pairs of these, and they do have some nice colorways coming out. But yeah, I don't have too much more to say about this extra large sneaker. I do like it. I think it's kind of come at the right/wrong time. Reason being is because some people are stopping wearing the chunky stuff. It is still kind of in fashion, but these days, who really knows what fashion actually is with their big jeans? But yeah, wait a few moments and you'll see what they look like on foot with my baggy joggers. And yeah, there'll be plenty more videos of more sneakers. I've got this review up in another colorway also, which looks more like the jellyfish. Also a lace swap video, how much height, all of that good stuff. So just wait a few moments, you'll see the on foot. Watch out for the other videos. They could already be up, so go check on my channel. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you share, subscribe, hype, and take care, my people.